Hi everyone, it is Patty Marie with Patty Marie Art. Thank you for joining me on my journey. This is an 11 by 14 canvas. I have not decided what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do another ocean scene. And I remembered the way that I did it before, and I'm wanting to replicate that. And so let's get started. I'm going to do like a pillow, white pillow, and then I'm going to do it in the center. That's my plan. And then I'm going to stretch it out. So that's what I did before, and I forgot that I did that with one of my smaller paintings, and I got the results that I wanted. So I haven't worked with 11 by 14 canvas with the ocean scene, so you're along with this journey with me. I am going to leave out the dark navy blue that I mixed. This is floetrol, water, and Artist Loft paint. I'll be using all of them are Artist Loft except for my white paint that I'll be using on the painting, not for the flow. This is just regular royal blue, and I believe I'm probably going to just use the light blue, these three colors, along with the house paint right here. So that's my plan, is to use those colors. I'm not going to use the dark one. I may use this green that I made up. I haven't decided. We'll just go, see how it goes. All right. So the paint is 1 part floetrol to 1 part paint, and then consistency, just dilute with water. I did get some paint on here, which is okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up. I'm gonna put my pillow on, and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, it's Patty Marie with Patty Marie Art. Welcome back with on my journey of painting. This is an 11 by 14 canvas, and today I will be using Artist Loft paints with floetrol mixed, and I will probably just use these blue colors right here by our Artist Loft. So I believe I'm going to be using these 3 colors, and then this is a color that I mixed. This green I made just to mix some colors up together. So that is my plan. I'm not going to use, I wanted to use a dark navy blue, but I decided not to. So my plan is to recreate a smaller painting that I did, and I love it how it turned out. And so I remembered what I did, so I'm going to go ahead and recreate it on with more colors, though I only used 2 colors. I used a light blue and a dark blue, and that was it. I only used 2 colors. Now I'm going to use 4 colors. We'll see how that works. But I wanted to recreate it. I might just do the 2 colors. I haven't decided yet. But I remembered how I did it, and I've been trying to figure it out on the larger canvas for the last couple of days, and it just came back to me how I did it. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to fast forward it so you don't have to sit there and watch me go ahead and put the paint on this canvas, to the pillow paint. So I will see you here shortly. Okay, I am back now. I have my pillow paint on here, and I am going to go ahead and get started here. So let us do this here with the dark blue. I may use the dark navy. I haven't decided yet. I think I might just use a tiny, tiny bit down here. Tiny bit in the corner. Okay, so now I want to do, let's go around here, put this out so I blow it, and now I'm going to fill in the rest here. Okay, I'm going to spread this out. I'm going to blow this out. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up for you so you're not sitting here watching me because this might take a little bit of time. Pop those bubbles. All right, be right back. It's really pretty, how it turned out. And I love how each time I do this, it looks completely different. Every single ocean scene looks completely different and unique, and that's what I like. All right, everyone. Thank you